Hello children, good morning. The topic which we are going to discuss today is GST, Goods and Services Tax. Goods and Services Tax. Sometimes you will be wondering that how governments collects money from us, and or sometimes you would have thought that how governments earns money. They earns money through the tax. How do they collect tax? They collect tax through a method called Goods and Services Tax. So the whatever tax they are collecting, they have divided into two types. One type is called direct tax, another type is called indirect tax. What is direct tax? Direct tax is a tax which we pay to the government directly, like whatever income we are earning. Like in India, we have a rule that if your income is more than 5 lakhs, you have to pay 10% tax to the government. If your income is less than 5 lakhs, you don't need to pay any tax to the government. So those income tax we have to pay directly to the government. Or another example I have taken as corporate tax. So when I talk about corporate tax, this tax is paid by the companies directly to the government based on their profit. Since we are paying directly to the government, we call those type of tax as direct tax. And these are the examples of direct tax. Let's come to indirect tax. Indirect tax is a tax which we pay to the government, but not directly, rather through an agent. Agent means shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, we pay tax to the shopkeeper. On our behalf, shopkeeper will pay to the government. When you buy anything, any like TV, fridge, anything you buy, you will say this much is the price, this much is the tax, total amount is this much. Even you order food through Swiggy or Zomato, they will tell you this much is the cost, this much is the tax, you have to pay included. That people, that hotel owner or the shopkeeper will give the tax on our behalf. That type of tax is called as indirect tax. Why indirect tax? Because we are not directly paying to the government, rather we are paying through an agent. So there are various types of indirect tax, that is called VAT, custom tax and all. But before I go deep into the GST, we will discuss few terminology which are important in our chapter. The first terminology is cost price. What is cost price? The cost price is the price which paid by the shopkeeper while buying the goods. When he is buying, let's say he is buying at 4,000, he is selling us on 5,000. That 4,000 he paid while buying the goods, so that 4,000 is nothing but cost price. The cost price at which shopkeeper is buying the goods, that is nothing but our cost price. What about selling price? Selling price is the price at which the shopkeeper is selling the product, or the price at which we as a customer are buying the product. That is nothing but selling price. What is the least price though? This is very, very important. What is least price? The least price is the price. Sometimes you go to the market, especially malls and all, they will say, okay fine, this jeans is for 5,000 and then we have 10% discount. Correct now? So that price which is fixed for that good, that this goods you have, if you want to buy, you have to pay this much money. Whatever is fixed for that particular goods is called least price. Sometimes we use the word marked price also. You see this marked price. Least price and marked price are same thing but two different terminology. But the important thing what I want to discuss at this point is whatever profit or loss a shopkeeper will make, that will make on which price? Cost price. So our profit or loss, it completely based on which price? Cost price. Whatever GST you are paying to the government, that on whatever money we are buying the goods or shopkeeper is selling the goods, on that price only we are paying, right? So our GST is completely based on which thing? GST is completely based on selling price. Selling price for shopkeeper, buying price for us. That is nothing but on that money only we are paying the GST. Now whatever discount we are paying, discount we are given, the discount we gave, the discount will be given on which price? List price. So remember, these are the three terminology, have three things. Profit or loss made by a shopkeeper will be always based on cost price, GST we will be paying on our buying price or selling price of shopkeeper, whatever you want to say, and discount whatever they will give us, the shopkeeper will give us based on which price? List price. I have written on one question. Dinesh buy a TV marked at 5,000 at a discount of 20%. At a discount of 20%, marked price is 5,000 and he has to pay GST of how much? 18%. So we have to calculate at how much money he has to pay to buy that goods. So we will solve this question. I have deliberately taken a question which includes tax as well as the discount, so that in one attempt only you can easily understand. First of all, whenever you try to solve such kind of question, you need to write on whatever is given. So what is given to us is mark price we have been given. So mark price is how much? Rupees 5,000. Then we have been given discount. Discount is how much? 20%. And we have to pay GST. GST as how much? 18%. I have a different style to solve such questions. Okay. And that style is very efficient. Please see here. I make two columns. One column is for mark price, another column is for selling price. Selling price means buying price for us. Suppose a goods is fixed at rupees 100 and you are getting 20% discount. What does that mean? It means since mark price is 100, you will be buying at 80% only, 80 rupees only. Why 80 rupees only? Because 20 rupees they are given you as a discount. Correct? So you don't need to pay 100, rather if you pay 80, that's good enough, because 20% you got as a discount. What does that pay? How does it benefiting us? You see. Mark price, if mark price is 100, we have to pay how much rupees? 80 rupees only. Why is it so? Because 20% is the discount. Alright, how much is the mark price? 5,000. How much money we will have to pay? We don't know it. Just do the cross product multiplication, you will get this thing. This is the easiest way you will come across. So, 100x equals 5,000 into 80, or x equals 5,000 into 80 by 100. 8 5 are 40, 2 zeros. Rupees how much? 4,000. Since you got the 20% discount, so you don't need to pay 5,000, rather you need to pay how much? 4,000. That means 4,000 actually you are supposed to pay for the goods, but will you pay 4,000 only? No, because government is charging some amount of tax also for that goods. So you have to pay including tax, right? So again we made two columns. Without tax, with tax. If without tax is 100, with tax will be how much? 118, because 18% is the GST. So without tax, if you were supposed to pay 100, with tax you need to pay 118, because 18% is the GST. Without tax, you are supposed to pay 4,000. With tax, how much rupees you are supposed to pay? Since you don't know, put tax onto that place. Again, do the cross multiplication, you will come up with right answer. So if you do the cross multiplication, 100x equals 118 into 4,000. X equals how much? 118 into 4,000 by 100. 20 will go away, 10 will come. ₹4,720. This much is the money which you need to pay with tax. So clearly you saw that discount, whatever you have been given, that discount you were given on the mark price, because if mark price is 100, you paid only 80 rupees because GST was given on mark price. But the tax you are paying, that you are paying on the selling price, because you were supposed to pay 4,000 but you need to pay extra. This 4,000 was without tax. With the tax, how much you are supposed to pay? 4,720. So this was all about the discount and tax. Now we will be discussing GST. Now we will be discussing GST.